Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ConvoEase. I'm your host, Emma, and I am so happy to see you here today. You know, sometimes learning English can feel tricky, especially when you watch movies. But don't worry, we're here to make it fun, easy, and exciting.
And I'm Alex, your co-host.
You know, Emma, so many people feel stressed when they watch movies in English. The actors speak so fast, one moment you understand, and the next, it's like everything disappears.
Exactly. But guess what? That's completely normal. Today, we're going to show you some simple, practical ways to enjoy movies, understand every word, and even have fun while learning.
That's right. And the best part? You don't need hours of study or boring lessons. Just a few minutes each day can make a huge difference.
Absolutely. And to make it even more fun, let me start with a story about a boy named Jake. He's 14, loves action movies like Spider-Man and the Avengers, and one evening he got some popcorn, turned off the lights, and pressed play on Spider-Man Homecoming.
Aw, I can imagine how excited he must have been. But what happened next?
Well, after only 5 minutes, he looked completely confused. The actors used words like neighborhood, mission, and protocol that he had never heard before. He kept pausing, trying to guess the meaning, but it was just too hard.
That sounds really frustrating. I think a lot of our listeners know that feeling too.
Exactly. After 20 minutes, Jake felt tired and a little sad, so he turned off the TV. He even asked himself, "What's wrong with me? I know English, but movies are just too fast."
There was nothing wrong with him. His teacher explained the next day that understanding movies just takes practice. She told him to start small. Super. That's such perfect advice.
And guess what? Another student, Sarah, did exactly that. She loved romantic comedies like The Princess Diaries, but the people in those movies spoke way too fast for her.
Did she give up like Jake did?
No way. Sarah came up with a smart plan. She picked a short 2-minute clip, just one small scene, and started practicing every day.
Only 2 minutes? That sounds easy enough for anyone to try.
Exactly. First, she watched it with subtitles so she could read each line while listening carefully. Then she watched the same clip again without subtitles. Sometimes she watched the same clip 5 or 6 times.
That is true dedication. Did she do anything else to practice?
Yes, she would pause the video and repeat the lines out loud. Her favorite line to repeat was "shut up" because it sounded so funny in the movie.
I love that. And did it work for her?
It did. After a few weeks, she watched a scene without any subtitles and suddenly understood almost all of it. It wasn't magic, it was just 5 to 10 minutes of practice every day, with no big books or boring lessons.
Super. So let's help our beginners by going over the 5 easy steps from the sources to help them watch movies without subtitles.
Step 1. Start with easy movies or cartoons. Don't pick hard action movies yet. Try movies like Finding Nemo, Frozen, or Peppa Pig because they use simple English and the characters speak slowly.
That's a great tip. Step 2. Watch with subtitles first. This lets your ears and eyes work together. If you don't understand, just pause, read the words, and listen again as many times as you want.
Step 3. Watch the same movie again without subtitles. This trains your brain. Because you already remember the sounds and words from the first time, you will understand much more.
Step 4. Repeat short scenes out loud. Choose a small scene and try to copy the character's voice, tone, and speed. This helps you remember phrases faster.
And finally, Step 5. Learn common phrases. Movies use everyday expressions like "what's up," "let's go," or "I'm in" all the time. If you learn these sounds, you'll recognize them instantly without thinking.
Super. It really is about being regular and enjoying the process. You don't need to understand everything in one day.
Exactly. Just take it step by step and have fun with your favorite movies.
And remember, even small progress counts. Watching just 5 to 10 minutes every day adds up over time.
That's true. And don't be afraid to re-watch your favorite scenes. Each time you watch, you'll notice something new.
Also, try to mimic the accent or pronunciation of the characters. It makes learning fun and interactive.
Oh yes, and talk about it with friends or online. Explaining what you watched helps lock in your learning.
Try keeping a mini diary of phrases or words you learned from each clip. You'll be amazed at your progress in just a few weeks.
Another tip, watch cartoons, comedies, and even interviews. Each has different speed and style. It trains your ears in multiple ways.
Super. And don't pressure yourself. Even if you understand 50%, that's already a big win. Celebrate it.
Remember, movies aren't just entertainment, they're your personal English teachers.
And the more you enjoy them, the faster you learn. Fun and learning go hand in hand.
So here's our challenge to listeners. Pick one short scene today, follow these steps, and try to understand it without subtitles.
And share your experience with someone. Teaching or talking about it makes it stick.
Exactly. Keep practicing little by little, and soon you'll enjoy any movie in English with confidence.
Remember, your English adventure can start with just one small clip today.
Keep practicing, enjoy the journey, and remember, every word you catch is a victory. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye!
Bye everyone, keep watching, keep repeating, and most importantly, have fun.